Hello and welcome to another LEGO build, this time Apollo Saturn V set. If you're a fan of space travel history or just enjoying building LEGO, then this set is definitely for you. It's not too challenging. It's pretty much you building the inner bits and you cover it with nice aesthetics. No sticker this time, everything is perfectly painted on the pieces themselves, so you don't have to fiddle with little stickers, even though I do like the stickers. As I was showing the first pieces, I was trying to show it off and I dropped it on the desk and it broke in half, but no worries, I just assembled it back together and it's fine now. It's fine, it's okay. Over 1,900 pieces in the set. It's divided to 4 pieces that you can disconnect and see exactly how they looked with the engines on each module. The set also includes 3 astronaut minifigures, which I'm assuming would be up to scale, so if you would stand next to the rocket you would be that size of that little minifigure. A lunar lander and a lunar orbiter. Attention to details are amazing. I love the little engines and the big ones that are on the rocket. The little flames inside, orange discs, obviously orange pieces, but they look like the engines that just come alive in a second. Pretty repetitive because you need to build 4 sides. You're gonna have one piece, probably multiply by 4, and you just repeat what you just did and then you join them together. I had a lot of fun with it, even though it took only around 4 to 5 hours to build. It was still cool because it's not too challenging, but it's very satisfying once you get in all those little pieces together. You don't really know what you assemble, but on the moment when you finish in the first piece, the first module, it begins to give you that satisfaction of actual seeing the first pieces coming together, and then you build in another set. The second module was actually the module that I enjoyed even more, because once I connected it to the previous one, it just began to look like a rocket. I was just going downstairs, showing to everyone, like, look, I've got a rocket now. So as you can see, once you build the first and the second part of it and you connect it, it begins to look like that huge rocket, and it's just satisfying. It's amazing. As I said, it includes lunar module that you can actually put into the rocket, and I'll show that right after I finish building it. And I also show how all the pieces disconnect and connect back together. It's really cool that you can actually put it in. If your kid likes to play with rockets, then that gives him possibilities to play. You can actually reenact the landing itself. You can disconnect the top piece and connect it to the lunar module as astronauts would in the space when they were landing on the moon, which is really, really cool. So if you want to add a truly unique and impressive set to your LEGO collection, the Apollo Saturn V is definitely worth considering. It looks stunning on my shelf at least, and if you want one, then just go for it because it's worth it. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next LEGO video, and I'm gonna have a Disney castle next, so bye bye.